Today we will start to build the wall of cabinets that will encase the fridge in its new location. In part 1 of our kitchen reno, we removed the built-in coffee bar, the laundry room wall, and the laundry room cabinets. To save money, we decided to relocate and repurpose the built-in vanity from our primary bathroom in the kitchen. Now let's get to framing the new wall.
Oh, hello there. Get some mats, figure out what I need. I'll cut a piece for here. And then I'm gonna move these to here. So enough said. I measured it, I know what I needed. 92 3/4 what I need. Square it up. Now we're going to introduce a new tool we haven't used yet. It's better. So I cut it like a hair longer just so I can squeeze it in there and make sure that whatever weight's on that is on this, but it's not load bearing, it's just kind of habit. I've got so many bits, so I put a piece of tape on the one that's different so I can just find it in the midst of its friends. So I'm just going to toenail these in like from the side here. That's what that means. You know, I feel like you're not a real professional if you don't always have like some kind of nails or screws that you're holding in your screw pouch built in. Money. Yeah, so you probably shouldn't hit your 2x4 when you have your levels against it. Mess up your level. It's before it's really got a tool belt.
Tool belt. It's not a back and forth.
It's an inefficient way to work. If you want to learn that, just watch what I'm doing. Alright, first one is in. Now I'm going to cut one for the bottom, which is going to be the same as this. Move to here, I measured it was 6, so let's cut 6. Do you not see this, my workbench?
Everything is your workbench.
So this feller is going to have to end up here, but it has to be in line with everything. So now I think it's time to move this guy. I'm gonna need help.
Guess I'll have to put the
Fortunately,
camera
there's
on.
only 2 of us in here.
Tell me what you've done already. Frame the new wall there?
Yeah, I framed the new this.
Yes.
So I moved this to here. I haven't had another one because I don't know how far, because I can, like, this is fine. And I cut the bottom plate to accept one more of these. But right now, I don't know until we figure out what door we're going to get. Like, this is enough to do this portion.
To take it out.
Exactly. To take it out and, like, rebuild everything, put everything where it needs to be. But as far as adding to this, that's a second project for that door. So I'm just going to leave it like that for now. I'll leave that. If I need to add to it, I have a footing. If I don't, I can just cut it right there.
So you are going to have to do some sheetrock.
I bought 1/4-inch plywood to use instead of sheetrock on a lot of this stuff.
Because you hate sheetrock?
Because I hate sheetrock. That's what I think of sheetrock. I really hate it.
Well, the ceiling didn't come down, so...
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Assuming it's not supposed to do that.
No, that's how the blades are now. Just to cut around corners. A little bit more. Probably gonna use a straight blade. Blades and screwdriver tips. I buy them both because not what you'd call a professional with these things. Wow, sorry.
So stupid.
Quick update. This thing's here, solid. This is the box that was under there, which matches that box on that one. It's a base just to elevate it to the ceiling, because you can see the space up there. And also, it's not as deep as the cabinet to give you a little toe area. You know, you stick your toe under. Just like every other cabinet.
I believe they call that something, right? What is it?
Toe stick hole.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So I'm going to use this 2x4 to figure out, like, I'm going to put it flush with that one to figure out kind of like where this one goes. Which right now, knock on wood, things are working out, because I put this piece here with math thinking it was going to end up where it is, and so far, so good. This is to represent the fridge and a gap, and if I move this guy over this way, right now I got room for that. I have to cut the flooring off out around here because that one is just on the concrete. That way they match and it's not like a little bit off. So, but before I commit to that, I have a lot of planning that I need to figure out. I got to put this guy here just to get out of the way. And then I got to take a pause on this entire side of the project to figure out that side of the project right there. So I'm going to have to take that whole cabinet situation. I don't know. I don't think I talked about this yet, but
the fridge.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That it fits, and this part is going to get destroyed because it's one piecer. But what I want is this one, and I'm going to have to cut this right here.
But we don't need
Which means I'm going to lose this whole cabinet, and I don't need it exactly because that's not going to be part of anything. So I think the next step is I'm going to start working on this guy to get it out, get it cut to size, and then I think I'm even going to install this first, like on the ceiling.
The cabinet.
This is the space. Yeah. Like this is the exact space we need for the fridge. And then I can attach this one to this one up there. level it down, attached to the ground. I'm gonna go ahead and talk about this before people think I'm a hack. I am kind of a hack on some things. Sheetrock is one of them. This is just so that bugs don't get in the house. I put a piece here and here. I didn't match it to anything, and I just slathered on a bunch of goop just to cover the holes. Because at the end of the day, the cabinet's going to come out to here. It's going to cover all this. All this is going to be in, like, the cabinet's going to be all the way in here, covering all of this area. The other cabinet's going to come straight across. So right now, like, all of this area is going to be covered by the cabinet. So really, I just wanted to plug it up so I don't get bugs coming down. If I obviously was going to be using this as part of the ceiling and it was just going to stay like this, I would do a little bit more diligence on that hack job. But for now, it's a hack job. Here we go. It's not the most powerful saw in the stable, you know?
Is that where saws live?
Yeah. Everybody does that. You know what they say? Put a new battery, the battery's charged.
Yeah. We'll cut that out.
All right.
What do you need me to do? Hold
Well,
it up?
yeah, I mean, you're always like catching things from falling. So let's just keep that going.
Am I catching this or am I catching you? Maybe both.
Yeah, that'll have to be one of them. So, I don't think it's going to necessarily fall on this side because it's going to hit this, but just kind of prop that up. And I don't even know if it's fully detached, so go full ass put your hands on it, otherwise it's just going to...
Yeah, I mean, Oh, yeah.
I got the side.
Oh my god. Yeah.
I punched myself right in the nose.
Oh no.
Probably slow-mo that.
I'll slow-mo that one a few times. For myself. We did it! Okay.
Yeah, I was like attached right to the corner there.
We are super excited with how this wall turned out, and we really hope you guys enjoyed watching. Yay! Join us next time as we demo the other side of the kitchen. Can we pull it all together, or will we have regrets?
So, we don't need the kitchen, right?
Wow, I didn't expect to see that. Make sure to tune in and don't forget to like and subscribe so we can keep bringing you content like this. We will see you in the next one. Bye.